Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to verify your WeTransfer account in 2026. Verifying your account is an important step because it helps secure your account and gives you access to all available WeTransfer features. Just follow these simple steps. First, open your email inbox after creating your WeTransfer account. Look for a verification email sent by WeTransfer. If you don't see it in your inbox, check your spam, junk, or promotions folder, as it may have been filtered there. Once you find the email, open it and click the *verify email ** or confirm account ** button. This will open a new browser tab and redirect you to the WeTransfer website. If the verification is successful, you'll see a confirmation message letting you know that your account has been verified. If the verification link doesn't work, return to the WeTransfer sign-in page and request a new verification email. Make sure you're checking the same email address you used during registration. Also, ensure you have a stable internet connection while completing the verification process. If you still haven't received the verification email, double-check that you entered the correct email address when creating your account. You can also add WeTransfer to your email contacts or safe sender list and request the email again. Finally, if you're still unable to verify your account after trying these steps, contact WeTransfer support. Provide your registered email address and explain the issue so they can help verify your account as quickly as possible. And that's how you can verify your WeTransfer account in 2026. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more WeTransfer tutorials and troubleshooting guides.